water guzzler, and I get a lot of pigs that come in here, and they have tried to dig up the pan, but since I put the J hooks on there, they can't dig it up, and they will try to rip out this center cover that houses the float. There is a float in there that elevates upward to a certain level, and then it cuts off the water flow. There is a hose underground here all the way to the bottom of the tank there, and it uses gravity. And so that's about 6 foot away, and pigs were coming in here and they were laying in this water pan, and that's not good. So I concocted or built this makeshift bracket here. All these parts you can buy at a big box store, and I'll put those in the video description. And you can see it's got J hooks here that I'm going to pound into the ground to hold it down, and then it's got these lag bolts right here, and they are sharp on top. So theoretically, when a pig comes and tries to wallow in this pan to cool off, those points are going to dig into them coming off these lag bolts, and hopefully it keeps the pigs off of this. It still allows animals to come in here and drink. All they got to do is bend their neck down and drink water here. So this is a design of my own, and we'll see how well it works. I may post an additional video. I have a camera right here, and it takes pictures of any of the wildlife that come into this feeder. So if you're looking for a solution, this is a relatively affordable solution right here. You just got to go pick it up at it was either Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two. I'll narrow it down so you don't have to go searching for it, and you can look in the video description. So if you're planning to build one of these, you can look at some of my previous videos and go with this style here. So if you're nurturing wildlife and you want to create some way for them to be able to drink water, this is a good way. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel, and do any comments if you want. I'll see if I can answer your questions. So take care. Thanks for watching. Texas Yard Man and More.